Hello and welcome to another video on Gamma. In this video, I will show you how to make use of version control that comes within Gamma. This is specially for casual and non-git users of Gamma. Let's first open Gamma. We will first create a new project and call it first project. Then we will create a model and we will call this model first model. Now let's write some code. Okay, so this is our first model, a simple one. Now let's say we come back after a few days and we write some more code. But somehow we change the code and it does not work anymore. And the question is, you want to find out what went wrong. Now here's how we check what has changed. We go back to the model, right-click, and then select Local History. Here at the bottom, you will see our model was being saved whenever we clicked on Save while developing the model. Now we click on any revision and see the code as it was at that time. We can put these models next to each other and we can easily compare what has changed between them. We can also select any two revisions and click Compare and see what has changed. Here's an extra tip. We can change a small setting in order to see these changes in a color-coded syntax. Let's compare two other versions and again switch to Gamma syntax. You can now clearly see the differences between the two revisions. You can see here at the top it says local history, and on the right you have the local file, that's your current file. Similarly, you have many more options at the top of the toolbar which you can explore on your own. Let's consider another scenario. You received a file from your colleague who changed your code or solved the same problem a little bit different. As an example, we will just copy these two files as one representing your file and the other representing your colleague's file. And let's make a small change in the code. Let's change the integer to a float value. Now we have two files and we can compare them in the editor. Select the two files and click Compare. Aha! Now you can see what the differences are and you can learn from your colleague's code. Now the very obvious question you might have is, how do you control this versioning behavior in Gamma? So let's see how we can change these settings. Go to your preferences and then click on Advanced, and in the search box At the top, look for History. There you go. You see the settings for local history. Make the changes you want and click Apply. Close all the windows and you're good to go. I hope you liked this video and see you in the next video.